Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Congratulations! In the previous video, you've created planned jobs in order to manage your HVAC unit's preventive maintenance. All of it using one single platform, Infraspeak. But now that they're created, they need to be executed. So let me go through this process with you. To execute a planned job, the technician should be using the mobile app. Once logged in, the technician needs to choose the job order to execute by tapping on the calendar icon and selecting the planned job. Keeping in mind that it's always necessary to start the job in order to have access to the tasks. The job order has now changed from a scheduled to an active status. To complete the tasks within the job order, the technician using the mobile app needs to go to the To-Do Tasks option and access the tasks they need to be completed. By accessing the equipment, the platform will show you all of the remaining tasks that need to be executed. The technician can indicate the task status and may add observations, multimedia files, or consumed materials if required. To validate activity and have the report signed by the client's employees, the technician should go to the specific job order through the app. There, the technician can check the job order summary, activity, costs, observations, documents, and any photos that may be attached. To have the report signed, the technician needs to go to the Sign Report and collect the employee's signature. So, at the moment, the job order is closed, so now it's time for the manager to validate the activity undertaken by the technician. To do so, the manager needs to log into the web platform and go to the specific job order. There, the manager can validate the percentage completed, pending interventions, the asset and the task completed or not, the respective measurements if any exist, and finally, any costs if added. At the same time, the planned job order status is closed, but the manager can confirm it. This adds a new control layer because now the job order is confirmed. The technician is not able to reopen it on the mobile app. Nonetheless, if there is the need to undo the confirmation, the manager will be able to do it via the web platform. And that's it. You are now able to complete, sign, send, and confirm planned jobs on Infraspeak. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.